Tuesday, August 16, 2016, and at the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of GoTV cable, for Star Times, channel 195, My TV, channel 17, and on top of terrestrial, UHF 57. For those who watch us for Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. Those who are on top of internet, now www.wazobiatv.tv/live. And we're going to hit you with all the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. My name now is Ezugo Chokwoti, and as usual, I know the alone inside studio. I deal with my brother Wayne Sabu, well as they concern the politics matter, as it is hot.
Yes, I did it now Tuesday, now another edition of our program, everybody program, as it is hot. Excuse me. Now don't carry come our way. Where we go give now every gist we concern them political activities where they happen for body Nigeria. So at least once we table on down, we go know it. We go know as we go take collectively as Nigerians will be look for solution to them, or rather tender solution to the right people. We go do it. We go find solution to them. And my own name never see change. My own name now Unkubi, and this now as it is hot.
Based on Tierra about what they do on Monday, we carry one action to when we say many people sit up as we drop that particular story because we like breaking news. We can't decide to carry and come today, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk and do anything be for body. That one get to do with the new video when Boko Haram Jaguda people being released of the Chibok girls. We go break them down over the weekend, Sunday to be precise. If you check them plus or minus, then we release one video when we say around 50 of the girls they for background. You get the way when we say then take arranger and make it be like say they protect the face of the person when we say in the talk, in can talk long gist, say the girls still there with them. Make the government do their best to use ensure say they release some of the Boko Haram Jaguda people when we say our government don't catch when they for Lagos, Port Harcourt and some places for inside Abuja, they will also release some of these girls them. He can also talk and say some of these girls, so some of them don't buy based on say our Air Force people of the Nigerian Army, they talk say they want to do airstrike, and some of these airstrike they did not hit some of the girls them. But our army then can't reply, can't talk say that they take time to study that particular video to know whether we say the thing are original or whether the thing are scam. They can also come and talk say you get what that they call precision when it comes to attack. Say they know they make mistake, that they know their target and then they fire them. Say that one are just bad thing when we say Boko Haram Jaguda people want use confuse people. People from Nigeria can come and they talk say this government when we say before election there be the campaign say give us also period of time we go release the Chibok girls, we go do this, we go do that. Waiting be the thing when we say they don't do exactly. We go throw our phone lines open, make yourself call to chook mouth inside the matter and talk and do anything be you for body. As it got to do with the new video when Boko Haram Jaguda people don't put out about these Chibok girls them.
Yes, about the Chibok girls, we go throw our phones open now so that at least as you could don't do it, we don't establish the matter, making a call, make also getting our own view about them, whether the way out, because just as in talk, the government will promise, okay, immediately they enter into government, they go do it, they go address the issue of Chibok girls, address them quickly, say those guys go do it, go come back house, but this is the excuse me. This is 1 year and 4 months down the line, and Jabla said that the same rhetorical story, ton kind of story. Now they hear the girls whenever even hear anything about them, and the only one we hear say he come back. That one come back on her own. Maybe say they will say they find them or bring them back home. Now she come back on her own, and the issue go out say okay. Make we bear in mind say these children them they get parents and them. If you also look the condition of the parents right now, it don't dey very, very high. But this now what we will talk about, and then by the time we go come back from this break, we go at least open our phone line, we also do it. We will collect our cause and our expression on top of this particular matter. We'll go for this break when they come. Yes, and welcome back to the program now as it is hot. And once again, for our viewers who they watch us for My TV channel 17 and Go TV channel 98. And if they watch us for Star Time channel 195, and if not for free to air, they watch us channel 57. The program now as it is hot. And what will they look today? Will they look the issue of the video where Boko Haram, a faction of the Boko Haram sect, and do it where they release, where they talk, say, look, say for them to at least release some of these girls, say the government on their own part will do it, and go also need to at least release some of their own persons where they do it, where they capture. But in the swift response response. The army don't also come out, also don't react to and say, look, say they're going to do it, investigate the strength of that video to know at least the way they really talk, to know the strength of the video, and also know say whether they take us play or not. Now what will they talk about today? And our phone lines go dey very open very soon for now to also do it in call and also contribute for the matter.
Which one be whether they take una play? People record video, put video out. You dey here, they say whether they take una play. In the same character of we will study the video. Video where the public don't see. Now una still dey study. We will study the video to know whether they take us play.
So.
Which one be whether they no be una be government?
Now me talk.
No, no be una be government. What you una talk during campaign when we come inside? Give us 2 weeks, give us 2 days. We'll do this, we'll do that.
No be wetin military talk and they react to.
Why una go dey talk this kind thing? Why una go dey talk this kind thing? We want to go and watch video. Now why you want na specimen? You want to go and watch the video to answer questions.
Now me talk take it.
Why no be una dey government? No be una dey government. You people should be addressing issues. That's what we are talking about. That's what we are talking about. You don't hear the talking. You talk.
Yeah, might say the military also talks to look. They go need to at least ensure they don't just jump into the matter.
Video when don't they out. Video when everybody for Nigeria don't see. Now you dey monitor.
What do you expect? She make they go they do go they shoot out go they quack. They
the 3 people when they declare wanted don't call.
They are still being wanted.
They are still being wanted. What are we see the strategy?
No.
No, be matter of no.
They put them out to Nigeria.
Politics.
Say, hold on.
Politics.
They put them out to Nigeria.
And policies
say,
are 2 different things.
These people.
It's very obvious. Say this particular government, they don't know what they do at all. As it get to do with this issue.
With their pictures attached. So what do you talk?
Which picture attached?
I see picture of one of them.
These people where una define, they tell una say that they limbo. They tell una say that they Pluto. You just put the cart before the horse. Address issues. Una don't go address issues. Una go they make noise. Distracting Nigerians. What issue is being addressed? How many months una tell us say una go free the Chibok girls? Then see they under every week we dey free thousands of people, hundreds of people. Chibok girls we still dey find them.
Because their own matter dey very sensitive.
How you take dey sensitive? When una talk say una wan go watch video.
It don't draw the attention of the entire world. What do you talk about?
Which word do not draw the attention?
The sect themselves no say the Chibok girls there.
This particular government. You see the good thing about it be say.
That's what they
365 days. Now they make 1 year. 3 months, 90 days. 365 or 90 days. Over 400 days. We don't reach for us to sit down. Make we calculate this government. Oh, judge. We shield we say. They carry the girls then cover. They carry the girls then cover body. Wish themselves then they shield. With Boko Haram, last year December, Boko Haram has been defeated technically. They see the release video to today. In fact, Boko Haram don't even call worse now because they don't. Al-Banawi, when we say ISIS, come and talk, say, "I be their guy." You know who him be? You know who him be? Una go dey play politics with issues. See the thing now, he don't. Okay, make una address am now. Even Al-Banawi even do video when he talk say they don't even pursue Shekau. Say Shekau, he dey kill Muslims, he dey attack monks. Say they want to attack churches. What are we even saying? The primary responsibility of every government is to ensure the security and safety of the citizens.
Yes.
Una go dey politicize issue. Una go now be the people wey say una go call press conference. We have defeated Boko Haram technically. Make Nigeria shout, hey, under this government, pardon is not corruption. Under this government, bag of rice na 20,000. Under this government, minimum wage na 80,000. Under this government, phone na 145 naira.
Wait, may I ask you this? Why we say anytime we bring in a particular issue, instead of we talk about that issue, you could bring in other issues.
All these issues are.
Hold on.
All these issues are intertwined. All these issues are interrelated. All these issues are conjoined. All these issues go pari passu. Then they go hand in hand.
Please.
Which affect you affect.
Please.
We know where you they go. They collect your food now. Abuja connection. Make una address issues. Address these issues. Address it.
I don't tell you how sensitive the issue of the.
So Nigeria supposed happy now say okay.
And that's why
una don't do it. Una don't do it. Una
address you.
Una never do anything. See, I close my stalker. Anything. Una never do anything. You go address this issue. Una go address them. Free the Chibok girls. We are waiting for them. We are counting your own too. We are counting your own. We are counting it. Nothing that is hidden will be hidden forever. You cannot light a lamp and put it under the bed. One day we will see the light. One day we shall see the light. You go address the issue. Chebi, they don't tell us say they hold the girls. Make una go find them. Make una go bring them come out. Go and bring them out. Go and bring them out.
May I ask you one question?
During campaign, una they use and sing. Go and bring them out.
Ask you one question.
Don't ask me any question.
We get Ekemini. Ekemini, they call us from South Africa. Good morning, Ekemini.
Good morning, my people.
Good morning.
What happened? Like Chukwu don't talk. They don't they rescue people since the government come back. They don't even see even one Chibok girl. So they're one kind. And if you want to talk the truth, if you see the people where they bring come from Sambisa forest, because you say they lean, you resemble people where they inside forest, people where never chop for days. But these girls where they bring come, for the video where you see as a fresh. So I beg, anybody where they keep these girls, make you bring them come outside. Enough is enough of all these lies and propaganda, please. May God bless Nigeria.
Amen.
Thank
Anytime you say enough
David.
is enough of this light and propaganda, you say who?
But I ask one very important question.
What is who?
We know say kidnap.
Address the issue when he raised.
We know say
enough of this light and propaganda. You say who? What is who? Who? You are the cross. Who? Continue to the who. Moto when don't fair break. Who? Somebody raise point. You know address the issue. You come and say who.
I'm about addressing the issue.
Address his issue. Don't say who. What is who?
Okay, this
who? Recross. Are you a masquerade? Talk.
Hi.
Talk. Yes, now talk. Shebi una sabi how to talk before election. Now election don't we don't see the way when the country they go. Talk. Is he still in the pipeline? Rescue of these girls is in the pipeline.
Talk.
Talk.
Okay, wait now. Talk. We say okay, fine. I said something here earlier. Say the issue of Chibok girls, no be Nigerian issue again. It don't become an international issue. We say every country know about this particular issue. You understand? And Boko Haram, I want also assume say on their own part, they don't know how expensive this case is. They go want do it. They go want hold on to these girls as waiting as demand to take collect it. They won't collect from government. And you don't go expect government to say, okay, make them enter by force, start to do it, start to buy people, make them eventually make them fall victim. We get Bauer. Bauer, they call us from Mina. Good morning, Bauer.
Good morning, Sukudi and Nkuli.
I greet you, Gabawa.
How are you now?
We did fine.
This is my program, being very interesting.
Thank you very much, sir.
When you say, even if I did off the set, I'll just switch myself on our program. Our program, when you say, I don't want it.
Okay, thanks, man.
So, but based on this issue that they talk about,
Okay.
Sukudi,
I dey hear you.
I beg, I want to let you know the Nigerian army strike.
No, of course, Nigeria. Of course. Since when they start the war against Boko Haram, Nigeria army don't they on top of the situation. But when they talk of the people when they carry politics, enter inside the world of army.
Talk now.
In the talk, I dey hear them. In the talk.
This one where you say this administration, they don't do anything. You even say you close your eyes, say they don't do anything. Anything, I beg. Underline that anything now. You said you say them try.
Okay.
You don't put any other expenses or any other things else. You know, say this administration, as far as security issues they concerned, then try. The only thing is say, you know, they're easy. This Chibok girls issue, the thing is just be easy like that. With the support we're supposed to render to our Nigerian army in our prayers. But we're supposed to support them with that prayer so that at least they will achieve their aim. How many military men don't die? How you will feel men and carry you from that studio, select you wear uniform,
Go they fight or go rescue the girls.
This forest. What do they call the Sambisa forest? What do they fight? This is making a small thing. So I beg, we will support them with prayer. I beg. Now the advice when I want just advise you.
Ogaba, thank you very, very much for this contribution. I will get okay. Ogo okay, they call us from Calabar. Good morning, Ogo okay.
Good morning, Mr. Nkovi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Chukudi.
I greet you, Oga, okay?
I greet you now.
Yes, sir.
I don't miss you now. Well.
We don't miss you too.
I beg one and over. I just joined the program, but I know to know the topic. I don't hear small, but make I hear from on well.
Okay, Oga, okay. What will they discuss now? This new video when Boko Haram Jaguda people release of the Chibok girls.
Okay.
No, Nigerians can't react to this particular video. Say this government will be promised or say, okay, if they enter, they go do everything when they do. It can't be like say somehow too safe. Just like the previous government, they don't get idea on how to go about them. Other people they talk say this one has still the indication say this thing has scam. Say just be like say they want to use it and they distract Nigerians from other things when they happen inside of Nigeria. We just they ask Nigerians say what do they think of this particular issue?
Hello.
Would they hear you?
They hear you.
My brother, this one tire me because the thing, as the talk as scam that time, people don't believe them. But this new video now don't show everything. If if we still dey command the best armed forces for Nigeria, we no fit defeat ordinary Boko Haram with our backyard here. Then where another country come face us, what we go do? That be the one question. That Sambis forest, our people they talk say now small they take lick soup where they hot. So my brother believe say if you give me soup where hot now, I go lick am anyhow. As far as if you enter my belly go cool. Make they do everything. Make they end this thing. Make they enter that forest. End them. I don't want to hear this Shibogi. I don't want to hear Sambis forest. I want me to end them. We have everything, what it takes to do all these things. But they believe say now, they use that thing now. They brainwash Nigerians. They use that thing now. They do business. It's no longer it's a scam. Let me just put it that way. Thank you. And may God continue to bless Nigeria.
Thank you very, very much for that contribution. We get another caller with you on the line. And good morning, Oga Yusuf.
Morning,
good morning, Oga Yusuf.
I agree to.
I agree to Oga Yusuf.
So my own contribution is saying this issue of people get it don't be issue of the whole Nigeria, not be only government. Because those girls, they are human beings too. So we don't know what they are going to do. If anybody want to talk, they should give advice how they will rescue this girl. Because it's not an easy thing. They don't want the girl to die. If to say they want the girl to die, therefore don't finish everybody there. So I know that some people will come to TV without advice. They will start to criticize the government. The government don't do this. The government don't do that. It's not easy for them too. If you know that, but we should be bring advice how those guys will come out. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Yusuf, for that contribution from your own listeners. So far, the calls we don't get so far, at least some go get their own various opinion. But Oga Yusuf will be say at least easy that collective way. Make we do it. Make we also support the government in place to also do it to ensure at least this particular issue of Boko Haram and the girls. Make them do it. Make we see where we will take do it. If we also join to ensure that these girls they come back to their various parents in peace.
We get somebody when they call us all the way from Owerri. Prince, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Chukwude, good morning.
We greet you, Oga Prince.
Morning.
Welcome back to Aside Hot.
Kubi, good morning. Happy New Year with all of you.
Yeah.
Wish you the same.
Chukwude, I want to, whether not jealousy they do you, I hope not be jealousy they do you when they talk this way.
Okay, continue, Oga Prince.
See, you people be journalists. Make na try go to Tibor place. Go investigate, find out whether that thing is true or not, and come back and tell us. Than to stay here to know whether it's scam or it's not scam. People should try to go and investigate, do investigating journalism. So now God can't tell us the truth. That's the essence of the media.
Oga Prince.
Yes, I'm with you.
Now, if the government, when we say the primary responsibility now to ensure the safety and security of everybody when they're inside a particular country, the information we they get from them, we know they're very, very sure. What do you think is going to be the role of investigative journalists?
You see, that's why we still have we have to investigate. Though the government did not do well in that area by not telling us the actual truth.
Oga Prince.
Jonathan government.
Oga Prince.
They refuse to tell us the truth about everything about
Oga Prince, no contradict yourself. You said the government did not do well by telling us the actual truth. If person not tell you truth, it means that the person they lie to you. What will be the difference between waiting this government don't tell us and waiting the previous government don't tell us? Is there any truth in what we have been told? Obviously, Kwesili, when we say that one of the leading campaigners of this Bring Back Our Girls, she talking for interview this Sunday when pass. Say no difference between the way when we say this government don't handle this situation and the previous government. If we talk say with the government of change and we know they see any change, especially as it get to do with this issue when they be like say they don't politicize, is there any difference?
We pray that change, the promise will come, and it's coming.
Oga Prince, they know they pray to solve problem. You go work towards solving that problem. But we appreciate this your call, and we want to make you tell your people when they for where they make them continue to watch Aside Hot. It's very, very clear. Now we don't reach the level where we say we don't begin to pray our problems away. How do we pray our problems away? He just use the mouth, talk am now, say the government be like say they don't tell us the actual truth. There's nothing like actual truth. Truth na truth. Lie na lie. False is false. Truth is truth. Simple. If you know they tell tell people the truth, you dey play with them. Say, we don't do this, we don't do that. You don't forget, say, senator from Borno Central, come and talk, say, no, make nobody come and they talk, say, Boko Haram, they don't pursue Boko Haram, come up for everywhere. Say, where he come from? They still there inside those places. What did they tell us at that time? You must tell the people the truth. You are holding the office by the mandate that they have given to you. That's simple.
But Chukwudi, may I also bring her from this angle?
Which angle you bring her from? Are you bringing it from the angle of the truth, or you want to tell us a lie? Is it pipeline angle?
Hold on.
Is it we angle? Is it we shall angle? I'm speaking for Nigerians. Don't tell me to hold on.
No,
don't tell me to hold on. I'm speaking for Nigerians.
I want to see that from you.
Take far from waiting. These girls waited there. How you expect their parents to feel? How you expect their parents to feel?
Let us also tell ourselves some beautiful truth.
Which beautiful truth? Truth, not truth. Nothing beautiful about the truth. The truth is the truth.
We know how the previous administration handled this.
And we know how people use that thing, draw down the government. How they use it to bring down the government.
They can't do this.
How they use it to bring down the government. What about people use it to bring down the government?
The investment, the money when it was channeled out, we know what they can do. Okay, fine. Under this present government, you will agree with me. Chukwudi, you will agree with me.
What do you mean agree? What do you mean agree with you?
Government,
what do you mean agree with you?
The moment they came into power, I think we saw that.
That's a fallacious statement.
What is fallacious? We saw, we can at least give approval to.
Before the presidential elections.
In trying to address the issue of insecurity, with particular.
They postponed election. They postponed election. They postponed election. I mean, they don't postpone election. They postponed the election by 6 weeks. What is the reason why they postponed them? The president at that time give order to the army. The army, our gallant troops.
They fail. When we say over time, they take and play.
Because of what?
They carry the money. They channel for their own causes.
Because of waiting.
Why that's because of they channel for their own. Because of the election on the come.
Because of sabotage. The governor of Borno State. The governor of Borno State will write letter. The governor of Borno State will write letter. The governor will confirm, say, okay, una fit write exam. He know they involved for this particular situation. The principal will talk, say, make una write exam. He know they involved for this particular situation. The governor that is in charge of the state. The president that was in Abuja.
A state that was partially under state of emergency.
What do you mean partial emergency?
When the military station, when we say, they don't know when they carry the guys.
Who is the chief security officer of the state? The governor.
No.
What is a partial emergency?
Giving the responsibility from the federal level to at least mount security for a particular state. What do you expect?
What will be state of emergency? State of emergency, the term. You declare a period of 6 months. You put administrator, sole administrator. Partial emergency. They still retain the governors. The governor no dey for Adamawa. The governor no dey for Yobe. We get governor for Borno. What in that governor when the people they report directly to? What he do the time when this particular thing happened?
But we had security.
No, but what did he do when it happened?
Security is in place.
Who was supposed to be in charge of the security? Is it not the governor?
That came
the president was in Abuja. The governor was in Borno. Maiduguri to be precise.
No.
The issue be this now.
We don't politicize this.
Who politicized this issue of Chibok girls first? No, who politicized this issue of Chibok girls? Now you are facing it. 365 days, make 1 year. 90 days, make 3 months. 365 plus 90, over 400.
They support this particular government. We don't see a tremendous
Give us a solution to this problem.
I beg we get Abimbola the class from Ikorodu.
Give us a solution to this problem.
Abimbola talk to my
I will put you under fire.
You can't put me under fire.
Good morning.
Good morning, Abimbola.
Yeah. My name is Mr. Abimbola, like I said.
Yes, we hear you.
And I actually enjoy you people's program.
Thank you very much, Mr. Abimbola.
Yeah, you see, like what the other man was saying there.
We hear.
Nigeria is normally being managed under what we call conspiracy theory.
Thank you.
Conspiracy theory that started from the last administration.
Allow him to land.
That started from the last administration.
Allow him to land. Continue, sir. Sorry.
We have the leaders that are straightforward.
Thank you very much. Straightforward leaders. Straightforward.
You see, our leaders are the biggest threat to this country.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now,
I agree with you.
During the last election, it was just an issue of power must shift to the North agenda. And that is the reason why they used the Boko Haram to destroy Jonathan. However, you can never be smarter than yourself. And the issue of the Chibok girls, to me, is a personal scam, which the Northern agenda used to destroy Jonathan.
Well,
and if you look at how the presidents have been managing for a very long time now, we have been seeing that it has always been an issue of corruption, and nobody has ever been jailed.
Abimbola, we don't actually get your point. Thank you very much for calling. But then, we could also emphasize on this. Say, when we get an issue, we say it concerns national interest. We could not say a particular government take do it. Say they will take one affect them. I mean, they say the people, a particular region take one affect them. The government will be in place because the same Boko Haram issue they talk about is still there in existence, and the same administration where they now they were not in power last year. I mean, early last year. Now I tell you, say this issue not be issue of say politicizing. Now issue on ground what we need to do it to collectively address. We got Yakubu. Yakubu, they call us from Kaduna. Good morning, Yakubu.
Hello.
Good morning. Can hear you. Continue.
Good morning, Kubi.
Good morning, Yakubu.
Good morning, Chukudi.
I agree to Oga Yakub.
Chukudi, well done for what you are doing there.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Oga Yakub.
You are saying the truth. You are saying the truth.
Thank you very much, Oga
We are all saying the
Yakub.
truth.
Allow him. Allow him.
Put on the table.
Allow him. You don't have any. He said you don't have anything to put on this table. The table is your table is empty.
That when he talk that time, he's just a wasting time.
Continue.
He's looking for something from the government. He can never see anything. You are the right person there.
Thank you very much, Oga Yakub.
Well done for what you are doing.
Thank you very much, Oga Yakub.
Keep on saying the truth.
Thank you.
This is not a thing. They wake up in the morning, they say something, they change again.
Thank you.
All these children girls, they take and they deceive people. They can't find any solution to anything. They are just deceiving.
They won't find solution, Oga Yakubu. Solution will come very soon. Not that they will find solution. Solution they come.
Come and watch video. They are deceiving people.
Oga Yakub, thank you very much for this your contribution. The tide is against you.
The tide can never be against
From
me.
Kaduna to Ikorodu, to Owerri, to Lekki, to Niger, to Calabar, even all the way from South Africa, the land of Mandela. Everybody is saying the same thing. See, Ukubi, let us tell ourselves the truth. Oga Prince, when we say, we know, say, Oga Prince, so he don't already talk and say, no, we see anything wrong for this government. As Nigerians, we must continue to tell ourselves the truth. See, election don't come, election don't go. Right now, we are facing governance. One thing our politicians must understand is say, when it comes to improving the lives of people, there's nothing like PDP, there's nothing like APC.
Yes,
it is about the interest of Nigerians. But if we continue to lie to... See, Oga Prince talk say they are not telling us the actual truth. How do you mean they are not telling us the actual truth? Make we go pray, come back, we'll continue our discussion. You are under fire. You will not escape this today.
Come on.
Oga Yakub from Kaduna has warned you. You don't have anything to bring to this table.